Stop wasting time trying to figure out complicated side hustles that never work because this is the easiest 1K a day business you will ever start. No tech skills, no ads, no experience needed. Just a simple, proven system built around digital products and automation, where all the heavy lifting is done for you and you focus on what actually creates freedom. If you've ever thought it's too late for me, then stick with me because by the end of the video, you'll see why this simple system works step by step and how you can earn while you're sleeping. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been where you're at, wanting more time and more income without the overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some gave me success and some left me wondering what's next, but I never regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed income that didn't require my hours or energy, digital marketing landed in my lap. At first, I didn't understand it. I wasn't techie, and I thought it might be too late for me to start. But once I saw how simple the system was, with digital products that were done for you and automation that worked while I lived my life, everything changed. Now I help other women do the same with confidence, clarity, and a system that actually works. Let's start with the foundation. Why digital products are the easiest business to start in 2025. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require any inventory, packaging, or shipping. Once it's created, it can be sold thousands and thousands of times automatically. You can choose done for you digital products. The website, the product, and the marketing materials are ready to go. This is how beginners can start so fast. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just learn how to connect the right product with the right people. But how do you actually find those people without ads? That's coming up next. Thinking this makes sense, but you need to see how it fits together? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I got started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. What if I told you the best customers come to you without paying for ads? This system uses attraction marketing, a strategy that builds curiosity and connection. You share small pieces of value, videos, stories, and clips, and people start to see themselves in your message. You don't chase anyone. You attract them naturally by being helpful and real. And here's the beauty. It's free marketing. And you can do it on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, using only your phone. So instead of fighting algorithms and wasting money on ads, you're building trust, one conversation at a time. If you could share one message that inspires others, what would that be? Share in the comments below. I would love to know. But once you've got people's attention, how does that automatically turn into income? Let's talk about that next. Are you ready to learn how this all fits together? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. Automation is like having a 24/7 business partner. Imagine waking up to notifications that sales had come in overnight, and you now have 900 extra in your account. Wouldn't that be incredible? It's the best feeling ever. Not only because I'm earning extra income while I'm sleeping, but because I know I'm helping someone else to do the same. It's not a fantasy, it's automation. The system follows up, educates, and sells for you automatically. You simply set it up once and it continues to run in the background. Even as a beginner, you can do this. Everything is pre-built for you. You just customize a few things with your name and the way you talk and let it run. Automation frees up your time. You're not constantly posting and messaging. You finally have a business that runs with you, not against you. But you might be wondering, how much time each day does it take to make this work? You're going to like this next part. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step guide I followed to go from zero to earning online. This part you're going to love. You don't need to work a full-time schedule to have full-time results. This system works with a simple 2-hour workday. You will spend time creating content, you will spend time connecting with your audience, and you will spend time learning as you go. In the beginning, I split up my days, so I was doing 4 30-minute sessions. I would do a video in my car. I would do a video at lunch. I would do a video after work. I would fit it into my schedule. 2 hours of focused work to build a digital business that can scale to any level you want. Just tell yourself you're going to get in your 2 hours every single day, whether you wake up and do some work over coffee, whether you do some work over your lunch hour, whether you do some work in the evening. The consistency is what counts. And the consistency is what's going to earn you that extra income. And the consistency is going to build your confidence. But here's the thing. None of this works if you try to do it alone. Let's talk about what makes all the difference. Need a clear picture of how these pieces all fit together? Grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the same guide I used when I got started, and it's totally free. Grab the link below. The biggest mistake people make online is thinking they have to do it all alone. When I started, I had so many questions, and that's where mentorship and training changed everything. I literally love the fact that I could learn and earn as I went. Being a part of a community of digital entrepreneurs gave me support, ideas, and confidence. It's a place to learn, share, and grow faster together. That's why I created my Digital Success Club, where I help women step into this space with training, mindset, and tools to make success easier. You can find the link to join my Digital Success Club in the description below. You don't have to be perfect to start. You just need people to believe in you until you can believe in yourself. So if you're tired of wasting your time on things that don't work and ready to start something real, this is it. A system that's beginner friendly, no tech skills, no ads, and with just 2 hours a day, the power of automation does the rest. Grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It walks you through exactly how I got started. And if you're ready to start showing up confidently online, grab my top 10 style hacks. They'll help you look and feel amazing on camera so your message shines through. Remember, it's never too late to start over, and it's never too soon to start living free. What would freedom look like for you? More time, more travel, more peace of mind? Please comment below. I'd love to hear. Now that you know the easiest 1K per day online business you'll ever start, you might want to learn how I made $8,350 in 1 month using the same done-for-you system. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair that with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.